New to Remitano? Watch this video to see how to unlock $100 welcome bonuses in your first month. Step 1. Download the Remitano app, create your account, and complete the onboarding survey. Each month, 50 lucky users will receive $5. Right after signing up, you'll receive a $5 cashback voucher. No trading required. Remitano charges 0 deposit fees, so make your first Bitcoin or USDT deposit within 3 days to earn 1,000 SHIB. Then, complete your first P2P trade of at least $50 within 7 days to receive 300 NGN. Keep trading and hit milestones of $2,000, $5,000, and $10,000 to unlock up to $10 and $70 in voucher rewards. Plus, finish your first 5 sell coin to NGN trades to receive a $10 cashback voucher. Easy, right? Start now and unlock your $100 rewards before your 30 days run out.